If you're doing some camping with your 2005 or newer Toyota Tacoma and you want to utilize the bed space as a sleeping space for you and whoever you're with, this AirBedz Pro3 series truck bed air mattress with the built-in DC air pump is a great solution to look into. Now, this is specifically for the Tacoma owners who have a 6-foot bed and want to take advantage of the entire bed space, whether you have a bed tent already for whatever adventures that you're taking, or you just want a comfortable surface to lay on when you're in the bed of your truck. Now, this is also an easy solution to bed comfort with a built-in air pump, inflating and deflating with the flick of a switch, and it has a high weight capacity, being an all-around reliable system. This system makes sure to use the entirety of the bed space for maximum comfort, and it fits around the wheel wells for a hassle-free fitment. Now again, this does have that built-in DC air pump with a 19-foot cord that you can very easily plug into your Tacoma and inflate within minutes for an easy and hassle-free setup. Now, the quick assembly allows you to set this up very easily if you're looking for something that's very simple, and it allows you to pair it with whatever tent or camping system that you'd like, allowing you to customize your experience and make it much more enjoyable with a thick and comfortable mattress to lay on in your bed. Now, this is made of tough fabric and soft materials that are comfortable and very supportive when inflated and easy to maneuver when deflated, as you can see, and it even comes with its own carry bag to keep it tied up and organized, as well as easy to carry when you're not using it. The materials are abrasion and tear resistant, and when inflated, this has a 1,000-pound weight capacity with an air coil system and a 12-inch thick construction, all distributing that weight very evenly for a pillowy and very comfortable feel. Now, the kit also comes with everything needed for a straightforward and hassle-free installation process, and it even comes with a patch kit if you do end up getting a nick in this system, making it easy to fix and easy to install in the back of your bed. This is about $275, which is a little bit more towards the expensive side of the spectrum when looking at the rest of the air mattresses in the category. Now, what is unique about this option, however, is the full bed capacity, the built-in air coil system, and the built-in air pump that doesn't require any hand pumps or other forms of inflation or deflation. Now, with it being built in, you also don't have the chance to lose it, making it a hassle-free choice if you're looking for a little bit extra when it comes to your camping situation in your Tacoma, making this a great mod to consider for it. Install, or should I say setup, is a very easy 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and it should only take about 10 minutes or so in order to get this inflated and fully set up in the back of your truck. Now, at this point, I'm going to hand it over to one of our installers. They're going to show you a detailed breakdown on how you can get this out of the box, inflated, and in the back of your bed. So that is going to wrap it up for what I have to say. Let's go ahead and get into the install.
Today we're going to be installing an air mattress in our Tacoma. Let's get into it. First thing you're going to want to do is take the air mattress out of its carrying case. After that, you're going to spread out your air mattress. Once you've done that, we're going to connect the long extension with the short extension in here. You're just going to want to pop that open. Pull it out. And you're going to see that there's a little groove at the bottom. You're going to want to find the little groove right there. You're going to line it up. Once you have it lined up, you're just going to twist this until it's tight. Now that we've done that, we're going to locate our cigarette outlet in our car and plug this in. Next, you're going to want to start your car. After that, it's time to inflate our mattress, and to inflate it, you're going to want to twist the knob to the right. And once you've twisted it to the right, the mattress will inflate. And once you hear the pitch of the motor start to change for a long period of time, that's when you're going to want to shut it off. Once you've inflated the mattress, we're going to shut our vehicle off, unplug the connector from the outlet, and we're going to disconnect that extension from the outlet. And now that we have this disconnected and unplugged, we're going to wind it up and put it in this pouch right here. Now it's time to put the air mattress in the truck. Alrighty, that about wraps up this review and install of the AirBedz Pro3 series truck bed air mattress with built-in DC air pump for a 2005 to 2025 Tacoma with a 6-foot bed. Thanks for watching, and remember, for all things Tacoma, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.